Many different countries have most shops and products as the same. Some consider it a positive development, whereas others consider it negative. Discuss both sides and give your opinion.
Sample answer 1.
In our modern interconnected world, the landscape of shopping has undergone a significant transformation. Many countries now boast similar arrays of shops and products, a phenomenon commonly termed as globalization. While some perceive this uniformity as beneficial progress, others argue that it erodes cultural diversity and local economies. This essay will delve into both perspectives before presenting a balanced viewpoint. On one hand, the standardization of shops and products across different countries can be viewed as a positive development. Firstly, it enhances convenience and accessibility for consumers. Whether one travels to New York or Tokyo, the familiarity of finding renowned brands like McDonald's or Starbucks can provide a sense of comfort and ease. Moreover, standardized products ensure consistent quality and safety standards, offering reassurance to consumers worldwide. This uniformity can also facilitate international trade and economic growth by streamlining supply chains and reducing barriers to entry for businesses. However, this trend also has its drawbacks. Critics argue that the proliferation of global brands undermines local businesses and traditional markets. Small enterprises often struggle to compete with multinational corporations that have significant resources and marketing power. Consequently, communities may lose their unique character and identity as homogenized shopping districts replace local markets and artisanal shops. Furthermore, the reliance on standardized products may lead to cultural erosion, as traditional crafts and practices are overshadowed by mass-produced goods catering to global tastes. Despite these concerns, I believe that the global homogenization of shopping is a nuanced phenomenon with both positive and negative implications. While it undeniably offers convenience and efficiency, it is essential to safeguard the diversity of local economies and cultural heritage. Governments and communities can adopt policies to promote the coexistence of global brands and small businesses, fostering a balanced retail ecosystem that preserves cultural distinctiveness. Likewise, consumers can play a role by consciously supporting local enterprises and embracing traditional products alongside global offerings. In conclusion, the standardization of shops and products across different countries elicits varied responses, with proponents emphasizing its convenience and efficiency, while detractors highlight its impact on local economies and cultural diversity. However, a balanced approach is needed to harness the benefits of globalization while mitigating its adverse effects. By promoting coexistence and supporting local initiatives, societies can navigate the complexities of globalized shopping in a way that preserves both convenience and cultural richness.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.